In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset a user password in Google Workspace Admin Console. This walkthrough is perfect for administrators who need to quickly help someone regain access or enforce a password change while keeping everything secure and compliant. First, open the Google Admin Console. You'll want to be signed in with an account that has the right admin privileges, since only admins can reset user passwords. Once you're in the console homepage, look to the main navigation panel on the left and choose Directory. This is where you manage people in groups across your organization. Next, select Users. You'll see a list of all user accounts. If you have a large directory, use the search bar at the top to find the specific person you're looking for. When you locate the right account in the list, hover your mouse over that user's row to reveal quick actions. Click Reset Password. This opens a password reset dialog so you can generate or set a new credential safely. Now, click Create Password. This brings up the field where you'll define the replacement password. Here, type the new password you want to assign. Aim for a strong, memorable passphrase, a longer mix of letters, numbers and symbols avoiding common words, or anything tied to personal details. If your organization enforces specific complexity or length rules, make sure the new password meets those requirements. Some admins prefer to create a temporary password that the user will change immediately after logging in. That's a solid practice for security. With the new password entered, go ahead and click Reset to confirm. The system applies the change right away, and the user's old password will no longer work. If you see an option in the dialog to require a password change at the next sign-in, consider enabling it to ensure the user sets a unique private password the first time they log back in. After you've reset the password, share it with the user through a secure method your organization approves, such as an encrypted message or a trusted internal ticketing system. Avoid sending plain text passwords over unsecured channels. Remind the user to sign in promptly, update their password if prompted, and if applicable, confirm that their multi-factor authentication is still in place. That's it. You opened the admin console, went to Directory, selected Users, hovered over the correct account to reset the password, clicked Create Password, entered the new password, and finalized it with Reset. Follow these steps anytime you need a fast, safe password reset in Google Workspace.